The way you relate to yourself is much more painful than any therapeutic or coaching process can ever be. As a life coach, I get ghosted a lot. People reach out to me, they want change, and then they disappear and I never hear from them again. The reason for that is that they're afraid of the pain that the process might bring upon them. But here's good news for you guys. That process is always much, much less painful than what you're already doing to yourself. The way you disrespect yourself, the way you bad parent yourself, all of those things get better in coaching because you see that you're doing it and now you get to choose not to do it anymore. So if you're afraid of opening a can of worms, don't be. It can only get better from now. So if you're interested in seeing if you can heal yourself and develop a new relationship to what is going on in your life, try coaching. It can really change your life.